Welcome to another Matthumanpizza video. In this video, I'm going to show you places to put garbage inside your RAV4. There are various places to put garbage. One, in fact, is right there. There's my toes. But anyway, right there is a place to put your garbage, right in the door, right there. In another place, so your first option to put garbage is the driver side desk. It's irrelevant to the video, but second place to put garbage. Third place is down there. I guess fourth place would be somewhere down here, and fifth place would be down here. As you can see, it's very immaculate and clean. See? You ever see these things? You buy clothing or whatever, and you have to take these off. They're everywhere. So I'm going to throw it in my third pile. That's my third pile of garbage. Down there, you get like a receipt or something like that. Just throw it down there. You'll get it later. And if you have actual passengers, they step on it. It's just an all-around good time, Just an all-around good time. As usual, as life is. So right here that's a good area. Everything gets all smashed down there and just all that junk garbage or whatever. There's my feet again. But all that junk garbage, you shove it down in there until it gets so full you need to take it all out and throw it in the real trash. The real trash is the big green dumpster. But anyway, so first, second, and third best place to throw your garbage. I guess fourth. So third, there's a Pennies down here. I got a video on where to store your pennies, which is actually right there. And I got silver up in here. That's the big time. That's the big time money. Whenever you're getting your number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, whatever value meal number you get, you can just, there's your change right there. Whatever. This is good to have right here. This is for ice scraper for the winter time. It's very good. Brush the snow off and then scrape the ice. Just scrape your window. Scrape it like no other. Get all the ice off. But that's a good place to throw your garbage. Down there. And got garbage down inside. Oh, a fifth good place would be right here in between the seats. That way stuff goes down there and can never return. Alright, have a great day. I hope you enjoyed this video. It was very good. And I'm saying it's very good because it was a very good video. It was a very good video explaining to you guys where exactly places are to put garbage in your Toyota RAV4. And this is a Toyota, as you can see by the circles here, these ovals, these nice little ovals. I said circle, but then I said oval, but it's pretty much an expanded circle. A mathematical construct. But anyway, it's like a wheel, riding on a wheel with a ring around it. Really, really cool. So have a great day. Welcome to another Matthumanpizza video. In this video, I'm going to be talking about if the vehicle becomes stuck. If you're stuck in the mud and you don't know what to do, this will help you solve your dilemma, because you are in a dilemma and you don't know what to do because you're stuck in the mud and you have no winch, W-I-N-C-H, you have no winch on you and you don't know what to do. You don't know what to do. Well, let me read this to you. Carry out the following procedures if the tires spin or the vehicle becomes stuck in mud, dirt, or snow. Step 1, stop the engine, set the parking brake, and put the shift lever in park. Step 2, do you see that? P? P's for park. Step 2, remove the mud, snow, or sand from around the stuck tire. Step 3, place wood, stones, or some other material to help provide traction under the tires. Step 4, restart the engine. Step 5, four-wheel drive models. Activate four-wheel drive lock mode. Page 192, which we aren't going to go to. You see that P? That's not for park. That's for page. You just have to know that. Step 6, shift the shift lever. See that? Shift the shift lever to the D or R. D is for drive and R is for reverse position, and carefully depress, not depression, just depress. You push it in the accelerator pedal to free the vehicle. I never like the word depressed. It's always depress the pedal. Push it down. They should just put push down. Push in, push in, push in or down on the pedal. Depress. I would never press. You're actually pressing it. You're pressing it. You're not depressing would be letting up. Pressing is it's just the wrong word, but we keep using it. Turn off traction control and or enhanced VSC vehicle stabilization system. The system is an S. I don't know if these functions are hampering your attempts to free the vehicle. 182. I'm gonna go to 182 here, and we're gonna figure out what this VSC means. We're gonna make it to 182 all in one take. We're not gonna. Okay, I can't even find it. Look at this. We're gonna get there. Here we go. 182. We're gonna find out what VSC means. On this page, it should tell us, which it probably won't. We got LSD, auto LSD. That's some. Yeah, I don't think it's about the DRUGSs, but anyway. So VSC. Turning off VSC this, VSC that, enhanced. I mean, come on now, really? Driving VSC, driving assist, there it is. Enhanced VSC, enhanced vehicle stability control. So I was about right. Vehicle stability control. Helps the driver to control skidding when swerving suddenly or turning on slippery road surfaces. Unbelievable. This concludes this video. Have a great day.